Every Monday at 9 a.m., I check the dashboard. Every morning, I scan the inbox. Every Friday, I draft the same 3 posts. What if all of that ran on its own? This is routines. Said it once. Your AI agent does the rest. The routines library. Every automation across every project, one place. Start with a template. Inbox watch, daily briefing, topic watch. One click. Or build your own. Name it. Pick a trigger, email, schedule, or calendar event. Write the action in plain English. SureThing auto-detects the tools Gmail, Slack, Drive. Connect once, hit create, done. The next morning, your digest is drafted and ready. XAI shipped, OpenAI launched, Codex, Anthropic closed 200 million. You didn't lift a finger. Now, this is what real users do once they're set up. 32 active routines across 9 projects. Cold email follow-ups when prospects go quiet. Weekly lead pipeline summary, Monday at 9:30. Daily Google Ads report across 2 accounts. Meta Ads daily push. SEO traffic monitor every day at 5. Weekly social performance, every connected platform. Daily comment monitor on LinkedIn. KOL post tracking. RB2B visitor sync into PostHog. Sheet to database sync every 30 minutes. One operator running an entire growth function without hiring. Open anyone, and there's real depth. Stabilize steps, time zone fallback, plain English instructions. Routines live now at surething.io/routines.